Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Roha's Art. Today I will paint an easy abstract painting with a new technique. I hope you all will like the full video. Please watch full video and please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for supporting me. It really motivates me. And like, share, and do let me know in the comment section about my painting. Today I will tell a story. Welcome to the story time. Today, we'll be telling a classic fairy tale that so many children have grown to love. Today's story is about Tinker Bell the fairy. Tinker Bell was a curious fairy who lived in Neverland, a magical place that could only be accessed through dreams. She was very small, with a pair of beautiful green wings, and she was always filled with joy. One day, Tinker Bell decided to explore the forest. She flew through the trees, enjoying the fresh air and cool breeze. She saw a curious sight: a group of pixies dancing in a circle. She decided to join in the dance. The other pixies were so happy to have Tinker Bell join them. They had an amazing time dancing and singing together. Tinker Bell was filled with so much joy that she decided to make a special wish. Tinker Bell wished that everyone in Neverland could find happiness in their lives. Her wish was granted, and the people of Neverland felt a warm, comforting feeling. Tinker Bell was so happy to have made a difference in people's lives. As Tinker Bell flew back home, she thought about all of the wonderful things she had seen and experienced. She realized that she had found happiness in her own life, and she promised to cherish every moment. And that's the story of Tinker Bell. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for joining me for Storytime, and see you next time. Do let me know in the comment section if you like my painting or want to give me any suggestion. Please subscribe and like, share, comment. Have a nice day. See you in my next video.